To insert or embed a YouTube video in Canva, follow these steps. Open your Canva project. Log into your Canva account and open the project where you want to embed the YouTube video. Select Elements. On the left sidebar, find and select the Elements tab. Search for Embed. In the Elements tab, search for Embed. You will find an Embed a Website element. Drag Embed element. Drag the Embed element onto your Canva design canvas. Resize and position. Adjust the size and position of the embedded element on your canvas to fit your design. Get YouTube video embed code. Open the YouTube video you want to embed in a new browser tab. Below the video, click on the share button, then select embed. Copy the provided embed code. Paste embed code in Canva. Go back to your Canva project, click on the embedded element and paste the YouTube video's embed code into the designated area. Adjust settings. Canva allows you to adjust settings such as the website's width and height. Modify these settings as needed. Preview and adjust. Preview your Canva project to ensure the embedded YouTube video looks and behaves as expected. Make any necessary adjustments. Save and share. Once you're satisfied, save your Canva project. If you're creating a design for online use, you can share it directly from Canva.